fun so far, yeah, it's good. We're working to a deadline, but everyone's on it. The t-shirts are really comfortable. Wore a few hoodies, you could just imagine lounging around in those. Dave Alexander, I've worked with him before. He's really cool, he's got his own style of photography. We had to model in our underpants. That was the weirdest part, yeah.
Being here for Tokyo Laundry, getting lots of shots. It's been good fun. I think the cold made my abs look even better actually, so that was a bonus. This is obviously the summer range, finished off with one of Tokyo Laundry's nice denim jackets. People will be able to see what's going to be coming out on tokyolaundry.com.